Hello. Hi, everyone. It's Friday and it's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Welcome. Well, I got it cut yesterday. Finally. It looks so much better, I think. I went shorter. I like it. I like it when I have short hair, and I'm getting ready to go down to camp in Mississippi where it's a gazillion degrees down there, and I needed to get the hair off my neck. So, here it is. And the gray's really starting to come in, guys. I didn't think I would like it. I was really nervous about just letting myself go gray. But you know what? I'm starting to like it. It's growing on me. So, anywho, but I don't have a lot to share today. I just wanted to come on and share with you. I learned something watching some of the other creators' videos about our things we're making Thursday, the rainbow bag. Um, I did not know that Mikey from the Crochet Crowd has a tutorial on this bag. Now, if you have watched my videos and you want to be a part of things we're making Thursday, but you're thinking, there is no way I can make this bag. Yes, there is. You have written instructions. There's also on the second page of it there's a diagram on the second page that you can follow if you follow diagrams. And if you can't read a crochet pattern, you don't know how to read a diagram, you have Mikey's video. And I am going to link the pattern and his video in the description box below this video. So click on that before you completely decide not to make this bag and join in. I challenge you to watch Mikey's video and watch the tutorial to see how easy he makes this. I learned to crochet by watching his videos, and he really does an amazing job of teaching you exactly where to put the hook, exactly how to make the stitch. I mean, all of it. He does an amazing job with that. So I encourage you to watch his video before you decide whether or not you're going to make this bag. Because guys, I would love, love, love to be able to share your pictures on my Things We're Making Thursday videos. I would love to share your progress, and then I would absolutely love to share a picture of your finished bag on the last Thursday of this month when we share our finished product, if you don't already have a YouTube channel that you're sharing it on. So I just wanted to kind of pop on and just tell you that I don't have a lot of crochet to share with you today. I am working on excuse me. I'm so sorry. I got a little tickle in my throat. What I'm working on today is I'm working on my blanket that I'm creating for the Mary Maxim contest. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I don't have a whole lot to share. It's been kind of a boring few days, so not much going on. But I did want to share that with you about the Things We're Making Thursday. And I really encourage you, I keep saying it, but guys, we are having so much fun in this group. So check out Mikey's video. My email's going to be in the description box too, with the link to the pattern. If you've got any questions at all, ask me. Let me know what your questions are, okay? I am going to spend today working on this blanket, and I've got laundry going at the same time, and I'm catching up on my YouTube videos that I haven't been able to watch in a couple of days. So, guys, I hope you have a fantastic and wonderful Friday. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Talk to you guys later. Love you lots. Thanks for being here with me. If you're new to my channel and you just stumbled across it, I'm so happy you're here and you've watched. So also make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And at the end of this video, I almost forgot to tell you, my friend Michelle sent me pictures of some finished objects that she did. And so watch the whole video because those pictures are going to be at the end of this video. And I would love to start doing that. I'll start calling it Finished Object Friday. And if I don't have anything finished to share, then I will share pictures that you guys send me. If you don't have a channel that you are showing your projects on, then, and you don't mind me sharing them, send them to me in my email. And I will, and let me know what name you want me to use with your picture. And I will share those each Friday for Finished Object Friday. I think that'd be fun. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and see Michelle's projects that she made. They're really pretty. She did a great job. And again, have a fabulous weekend, guys, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.